Okay, so our machine is bad. We want to go and fix it. I actually have electric, but when there is no light, I like using this one to alternate it. So now our machine is bad and our light is giving issues. See our fine dress. That's sitting pretty. Let me show you. Let me show you very well. Let me show you our fine dress. Okay. So our machine is bad. I'll take you through the process and how much they will charge. When people tell me, oh, you know, just to join a dress. Why are you charging us so much? It's just to join a dress. This is one thing too. Because the machine, you have to keep working on your machine. If not, you cannot sew. You can't use it to do anything. We oil this machine like once in 2 weeks or so, and then not only that, we have to fix it when there's any problem. Now to go and fix this alone, we spend nothing less than 4K, 5K. But let's see how it goes. Which
Yeah,
one?
so go manager and that to go give her.
How?
You need to buy this thing.
Buy which thing again?
They say needle don't
Touch am now, you go see the cut. Just put your hand in your make it tight up.
So how much did that one cost now?
And that one fit be 500. Na engine lining be that.
Which one be
If you dey
500? Do everything for us 2,000. Hey, Jamie, you can see that the machine, our machine is bad. So you can see how much it's calling for us. After you say, why are you collecting too much money to sew clothes? You don't see am now. Buy.
say that's another like
they don't just want to stress themselves. They
Yeah.
just want just buy
Yeah,
everything.
easy. Buy everything.
Well.
say well maybe
And then
You
you,
have
you
to
said you
stress
are
yourself.
engineers. What type of
Engineer, you have to stress yourself.
engineer? You have to think outside the box. That's why we come to
To
you.
look for the solution.
Yes.
see machine oil get that wey no good now, make we
We
come dey
go put
stress
oil,
ourselves for something wey no good. Something wey no good, make we come dey kill ourselves say e no good, make we come dey think box how. This thing no good, e no good, make we come dey think box.
We don't change the one we
Okay.
say no good, and but that one I ask is the what was the fault?
And you
Make
see,
we come dey
see,
change
No,
something
as
wey no
it
good.
is.
okay, if you explain that this is the fault, so I will change the right.
Yes, I think this one is better.
This one is good.
Thank God we even tested it safe. If not, we'll not know that it's better.
So before now, for come carry machine without test. Wey dey
No, the real now.